Brussels correspondent Adrian Warner, thankfully not wearing trunks. Bringing Tolstoy's tragic tale of Russian aristocrats to the big screen involves some opulent and extravagant costuming, especially for the star Keira Knightley. Now, some of the costumes are on display at Ham House in South West London, where parts of the movie were shot. Wendy Hurrell has had a look.
Well, here we are in Ham House, this beautiful building, 17th century, on the banks of the River Thames, very close to Richmond. The film Anna Karenina actually used some of these rooms in the scene, so where better to put on an exhibition of some of the costumes from the film, like this one, beautiful black ball gown worn by Keira Knightley in that ballroom scene when she's dancing with Vronsky, her soon-to-be lover. And the designer of these costumes is actually up for a BAFTA, as is the set designer from the film Anna Karenina, and earlier on I caught up with her.
We're always looking to shoot houses in a different way, you know, because also as a viewer you don't want to see the same house portrayed the same way again and again and again. So to have places like Ham House, they're good for us, it's good for the National Trust because it exposes their house and people want to come and see it. It's really important, and it makes the houses live in a different way.
This room wasn't actually used in the film. The film crew used it as a storage room, which must be the most beautiful and opulent storage room ever known. And this is where Keira Knightley would come to relax in between takes. And if you want to come and see the dresses, well, they're here in the Long Room at Ham House near Richmond until April the 4th. And we'll be taking a closer look at some more of them in tonight's programme.
Now, we know that development space is short in the capital, but would you live in an underground toilet? Well, more and more